beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair Company. I've worked with this company many times before and I always absolutely love their hair. Now today they did send over a 24-inch body wave wig, and it's a frontal wig, so it is like full parting space, ear to ear, back to 4 inches, so you can be very versatile with this wig. This hair is always soft as always, but as far as the hairline, it wasn't as pre-plucked as I would have liked it, but I did go ahead and do some more plucking, bleach the knots, and I went and blow dried the hair out. And when I blow dried the hair out, of course, the body wave hair lost its natural pattern. But today I'm going to show you how I create my own body wave curls to get, the wig back popping and full of, nice bomb bouncy curls. So first and thing is foremost, I want to show you guys my GLAMWAX stick, which does release January 1st. I already have them in stock, but I don't want to release them to the new year, just to make sure that I start my year off the way I want to, with a nice little sale for all of my new products. And there will be more, so stay tuned. I also have my lace glue coming and other things that I will share with you once it's here in my hand. So however, today I'm just going to go in starting with that wax stick first, and I'm just going to apply my GLAMWAX all over the hairline of this wig. And just what I'm doing right now is sectioning off the areas that will be for my baby hairs when I actually do part 2 to this tutorial, which is actually installing the wig, and it's going to already be pre-styled, and I will install it on my client. So make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2 for this, the videos that's dealing with this Nadula hair. And now I'm just going in right now with my hot comb and just hot combing out the roots of this wig, very, very flat. And it's much easier when you're hot combing on a mannequin, because you don't really have to worry about burning the mannequin. Like, it's not a person, so you can really get that comb on there, lay it down how you want to just really get the roots of your wig super, super flat. And the flatter it is, the more natural it will appear anyway. So I really got into those roots on this wig. I'm using the back end of my hot comb too, to just really get those hairs nice down and sleek. And now I'm just going to go ahead and part those baby hairs out the way a little bit, because just to make it easier when I'm hot combing and styling as well. But as you can see, the hair is laying down so nice, giving off a nice, healthy and shiny look. And this is a benefit, a few benefits of the wax stick. Like, someone has asked me what is the purpose of a wax stick, and I can't speak for everyone, but for me, I love wax sticks, period, because it gives your hair that nice sleek shine. It helps with the flyaways. It helps get your parts super, super like healthy, shiny, bouncy looking, everything like that, especially when you use it in combination with the hot comb to really press your roots out. It's perfect for natural clients. You just apply a little bit of that wax on there, and when you need to press that hair out, it gets that hair bone straight, in combination with a good flat iron. So it is a lot of benefits you get from this GLAMWAX stick here. And of course, I will have more tutorials for you using all of my products. I will have more tutorials for you using it on clients with the leave out and everything like that, so you really, really know all the great benefits you can get from my GLAMWAX stick. Now today I will be using a wand curler, and this is actually new. I got this wand curler from TJ Maxx. It was about like 25 to 30 bucks. And honestly, guys, all of my curling tools, hot combs, everything is like never no more than $35. Like, I get all of my flat irons from Walgreens or Walmart, Conair, Remington, Infinity, like all of those. And right now, this is my new favorite wand curler. Like, I always had a hard time finding the perfect wand curler, and I found this one at TJ Maxx, and it's by the brand Gem. It stands for like glamour, excellence, and something else. I don't know. I would show you guys in another video, like the box it actually comes in. And what I love most about this wand curler is you can take off the curling thing and add a different size, and you just like click and twist it to lock it into place. So it's just like that changeable wand curler. Like, I really love that. Instead of have to go buy different wand curlers, different sizes, you can just take off the top curling part and just add a different size. So that is so bomb. But to really get into detail about, curling this wig, I am not pulling little sections to curl my wig, because I feel like the smaller the section, the tighter the curls in a way. So I really wanted to grab like bigger pieces or bigger sections of hair, so I can really get that like big body curl, like the real big body curl. And that will also, mimic the curl pattern of body wave hair. And I know it sucks, because when you buy body wave, you expect it to stay body wave once you wash it. But the reality is, if you let it air dry, it will have some type of wave. Like, if I would have let the wig air dry, it probably would have had some type of wave in it, but the wave is nothing like the original pattern of the body wave. So this is the step that you can do to really get those curls back in there popping. And because the hair was already body wave, and body wave does hold, like, body wave hair holds curl much better than straight hair, doing this technique would just be perfect to get your curls back in there and popping. So I'm just going to continue to grab different sections and take my wand curler and wrap the hair underneath, where the hair is like, I'm curling it with the hair on top of the wand curler and just going around and around. And as far as how long I hold it for at least 5-6 seconds. And you can tell that this wand curler is super hot. And that's why I'm also wearing this glove. Now, this glove is known as a thermal glove, and it protects your hand from getting burned when you are using a wand curler. And it came with another previous wand curler, but that wand curler was nothing compared to this one. And as you see, as I'm curling, you can see the smoke. Like, you can tell how hot this curling wand is. And once you wrap that hair around, it gets shorter and shorter, and you kind of like gotta touch the wand curler if you want to get that hair curled all the way down to the bottom. And this thermal glove really protected me from burning myself, because as y'all can see, I was touching that wand curler like crazy, and it did not burn me at all whatsoever. So pretty much, as far as the flow of the curls, I have curled every piece of this wig going the same direction. But when I get to these two top curls here, I'm going to curl it away from the face instead of going to the face. Like, all of the curls was curled going towards the face. But with these last two curls, and that's why I turned the camera a little bit more so you can see it better, I am curling away from the face. And that kind of gives off that bang look type of illusion. And that way, all of their hair won't be curling inward on the face. It will kind of like be pulled back away from the face, if you guys understand what I mean. So I just prefer to do my curls that way. It just gives it more of a a nicer look, in my opinion. So everything is just not curling under in the front of your face. It will actually give it some more like body and just a better look, in my opinion. Can't really put what I'm trying to say into words. But once I do finish curling this last piece here, I will go in with that holding spray, once again, that bed head, and just touch up any areas I feel need to be sprayed down, and just to keep everything in place as well, in combination with that GLAMWAX stick. So I'm just going to do that. But here is what the curls look like once I am done curling everything. And I'm just going to take some silk therapy to give the hair some shine as well, all throughout the curls, before I actually go in and comb those curls out. And just taking that bed head spray, so I spread it on the curls a little bit, just for the curls to hold a little longer than normal. And I'm just going to take my comb and just smooth everything out, and just make sure if you do get your baby hair caught up in the stuff, just comb it back out the way. And I'm just smoothing and combing everything on down. But I have not combed the curls out yet. I'm just trying to get everything in place before I do comb it out. And I will go in with a wide tooth comb and comb everything on out in a direction that the curl flows. So now I'm just going to take that comb and do that. And this is the wide tooth comb that I chose to use, and I'm just, you know, combing the hair out. And as you can see, you can really see those body waves coming right back in, like not a tight curl, but that same big loose curl that the body wave hair gives you. So I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. This is a, oh my god, this curls are so bomb. This is like a, you know, pre-styling your wig video, plus how to create your own body wave curls, and I absolutely love it. Stay tuned for part 2 with the actual installation, and thank you guys for tuning in.